Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Vanguard anti-cheat error on Valorant. So in this video I will show a couple of solutions. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your task manager and the task everything related to Riot Games, Valorant, Vanguard, and also if you're running some sort of antivirus system or CCleaner or something like that, please end it. And after that, on the bottom right corner as well, it should be Vanguard thing here, also exit Vanguard. And after you do that, then you need to go to services, then tap on one of the names here and then press V and right click on VGC properties and make sure that startup type is on automatic. And also if the service status is basically not running, please press start and then press OK. And after that, what you need to do here next is to go to your local disk and find your Valorant basically folder here, Riot Games folder here, and then go to Valorant, live, shooter game, binaries, Win64, and scroll down until you see a Valorant Win64 shipping. Right click on it, go to properties, go to compatibility, and make sure that you are running this on full screen. So this option is not on, and this one is run this program as an administrator is on, and then press apply and OK. And that's pretty much it, what you need to do here if you want to fix Vanguard anti-cheat error on Valorant. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.